Meantime, eToro down this morning on earnings, pacing for the worst day in more than a year here, reporting a nearly 30% decline in revenue from crypto assets in Q2. The trading platform also announcing an agreement to acquire competitor TradeZero as it pushes to expand in the U.S. Joining us this morning here at Post 9, Leone Iazza, eToro CEO, for a first on CNBC interview. It's good to have you back. Welcome. I mean, you're not the only one who's sort of being buffeted by what's happening to the digital assets, right?
Well, I think we're seeing a very cyclical 4-year cycle in crypto. We've seen it in 2013, 14, 17, 18, 21, 22, now 25, 26. I'm very bullish on crypto. Long-term, very bullish on Bitcoin as digital gold. And even more than that, on the intersection between digital assets and digital finance and traditional finance. Just as an example, we had the SpaceX IPO actually pricing out of crypto markets pre-IPO, then launching a retail distribution on our platform to retail investors in the IPO, and now it's trading 24/7 from the first day it actually started trading on the markets. So we see a great opportunity in market adoption in crypto assets and digital asset space.
Is there anything happening with the average user or any of the demographics within your user base? Younger, older?
Well, usually younger. We've, our main target audience, 25 to 45, Gen Y, now targeting more and more also Gen Zers with our digital native. We acquired also Zengo, a non-custodial wallet, where customers basically can live on-chain, do things like swaps, prediction markets directly on our non-custodial wallet right now. And very excited about the announcement today of the TradeZero acquisition, which actually have a trading booth here on the floor.
What does that do for you, that deal? What do you think?
Well, the biggest thing is bringing in a lot of the very popular global products that we have outside the U.S. into the U.S. We're relatively new in the U.S. market. It's still a small part of our global franchise, a very, very big opportunity for us here in the U.S. It enables us to launch things with the recent RIA license as well, copy trading smart portfolios, and now with TradeZero being able to launch long-short, leverage trading and futures trading and soon prediction markets here in the U.S.
Where do you see the opportunity given that there are large and growing incumbents like Robinhood and Coinbase?
Well, we think the opportunity is very big here in the U.S. It's a huge market, of course. Many of our customers are new to online trading. There's a cohort of customers always coming in to look for new platforms. And our unique differentiator is the fact that you can actually see performance of users from all around the world. And you can automatically copy almost 6,000 popular investors on the platform globally. And our smart portfolios have been running algorithmic and quantitative trading strategies, which will now be able to launch in the U.S. post-integration with TradeZero.
With crypto under pressure, are you seeing those traders migrate into the AI trade, or?
We've seen a huge transition, actually, for the first time, of crypto traders going into commodities, actually trading gold, silver, oil in Q4 and in Q1. Then we've seen a lot of the originally crypto traders actually going into equities. Q2 was a great quarter. We actually are up 18% year over year in funded accounts, 9% in top line and bottom line. And a lot of that has been driven by actually the shift of crypto customers in eToro into equities, which had a great run in Q2, relaxed a bit in July. And we definitely see now more and more customers actually using AI to trade on eToro. We just launched actually yesterday an official Grok connector, so you can go into your Grok, go to connectors, type in eToro, then log in with your eToro account and basically tell Grok, what do I have in my portfolio, suggest a strategy, automate my strategy. So we're seeing now customers using AI for AI agents to trade 24/7 in their accounts.